Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motherboard replacement process for your Lenovo 80QD, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic pry tool. These tools are essential for safely opening your device without causing any damage. First, ensure that your laptop is powered down and unplugged. Remove the battery by sliding the lock and lifting it out. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on the laptop. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel off. Take your time with this step to prevent breaking any clips. With the back panel removed, you can now access the internal components. Look for the existing motherboard, which is typically located in the center. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris using compressed air to ensure optimal performance after the replacement. Now it's time to disconnect the cables attached to the motherboard. Carefully unplug each connector, noting their positions for reassembly. If you're unsure about any connections, take a picture for reference or consult your device's service manual. Once all cables are disconnected, locate the screws that secure the motherboard in place. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. It's important to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. After the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from its compartment. Be cautious with any remaining connections, such as the CPU or RAM, which you may need to transfer to the new motherboard. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your device repaired without leaving your house. Once you have the new motherboard, reverse the process. Place it into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables to their respective ports, ensuring they are firmly in place. This is a critical step, as improper connections can lead to malfunction. Before closing the back panel, double-check that everything is connected and secured. If you need a professional diagnosis without obligation, our services can assist you in understanding the condition of your device before repairs. Now, align the back panel with the base of the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug in your laptop. For those who prefer to get a quote before repair, feel free to reach out. We ensure transparency in our pricing, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.